Rain outside my window pane, coffee brewing keeps me sane. Clouds above don't mean a thing, long as I got my mug and dreams. Drops tap dance on rooftops tall. Steam swirls up in my cup, small. Hazy thoughts in morning mist. Finding peace in moments like this. Coffee in the rain again, warmth inside when skies complain. Simple joys in daily grind, happiness is what we find. Walking streets with puddle feet. Every sip makes life so sweet. Umbrella shelter overhead. Memory lane is where I'm led. Echoes of a far-off train. Whispers call me back again. Scenes of life in sepia hues, captured in a world subdued. Coffee in the rain again, warmth inside when skies complain. Simple joys in daily grind, happiness is what we find. Coffee in the rain again, warmth inside when skies complain. Simple joys in daily grind, happiness is what we find.